Yes, good morning student. Welcome to your mathematics class. Today we are just going to start our next exercise, that is the 7.4 exercise, in which first question is you will use the permutation. Okay. You have to find the number of ways by using the permutation. In how many ways can the 6 children stand in a queue? आप 6 बच्चों को एक क्यू में कैसे स्टैंड करोगे? सो इफ द 6 स्टूडेंट स्टैंड इन ए क्यू, दे विल टेक द 6 cities. So the number of ways of arrangement of 6 students in a 6 places. So their number of ways of arrangement that is 66. So 6 factorial will be there. Come to the second question. In how many ways can the 5 women draw the water from the 5 taps? 5 औरतें हैं, 5 ही टैप है, उसे रखते हैं. If the no tap remain unused, कोई भी टैप खाली नहीं रहना चाहिए. So the 5 women are available and 5 taps are also available. So the number of arrangement will be 5. Question number 3. In how many ways can the 4 different books, one each chemistry, physics, biology and mathematics, they are the 4 different books of the different subjects. So in the shelf they will occupy the 4 places. So their number of arrangement will be 4p4. Question number 4. In the 3 different rings to be worn in 4 fingers with the at most 1 in each finger, in how many ways can be done? You have the 3 different rings to be worn in a 4 fingers with the at most 1 in each finger. एक फिंगर में आप एक से ज़्यादा रिंग नहीं पहन सकते हो. Then you have the 4 option, 4 finger but with the 3 rings. So their number of arrangement will be 4p3. 4 fingers are available but the number of rings are 3. So you have to arrange the rings in the 4 fingers. Okay, come to the question number 5. A student want to arrange the 3 economics book. Question number 5. 3 economics books, 2 history books and the 4 English books on a shelf. If the books of the same subject are different, it means 3 eco books are of different subject. It may be of NCERT or maybe some other publisher, but all the 3 books are different. In the same way, both the history books are different and all the 4 English books are different. But you have to in first part you have to find all the possible arrangement. As these total are 4 or 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. In a shelf, 9 books will take the 9 possible places. So their number of arrangement will be 9p9. So 9 factorial will be their arrangement without any condition. Second part, find the number of possible arrangement if all the books on a particular subjects are together. It means you are just put these 3 books, you are making a knot and making a bundle and they will be stay always as it is together. These are also together, these are also together. Firstly, make the arrangement of these 3 bundles. First, second and third, you have 3 bundles and how you will arrange these 3 bundles. So 3p3. Just make the bundle. Okay, you have the 3 bundle. One is of Ecoca, another is of history and another is of English. So you have the 3 bundle and 3 bundle in a shelf. They will take the 3 places. So their arrangement will be 3p3. This is the arrangement of bundles. But what about their individual changes? Okay. In these 3 economics book, I don't know which book comes first. Either it's of NCERT or it's some other publication. So they will be mutually interchanged also. So 3p3 for the economics arrangement, 2p2 for the history books arrangement and 4p4 for the English book arrangement. So the total number of arrangement they all will get multiplied. It means 3p3 bundle arrangement include with their individual arrangement, 2p2 arrangement into 4p4 arrangement. पहले आपने बंडल का अरेंजमेंट किया, फिर इकोनॉमिक्स के हिस्ट्री बुक एंड देन इंग्लिश. सो यू विल गेट योर आंसर डायरेक्टली. कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. There the 6-digit telephone numbers can be constructed with the help of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, If the each number there is a 6-digit number, okay, each number start with 35 and no digit appears more than once. Now the digits are 0 to 9. It is total 10 digits are there, but 3 and 5 is already used. Now you have only 4 places and number of digits are 2 and you will also cancel 8 digits. So out of 8 they all can be come into the 4 places. For the 8 digit can be arranged in the 4 places. So their number of arrangement will be 84. Come to the question number 9. In how many ways the 5, you will try the question number 6, 7, 8 by yourself. In the question number 9, in how many ways the 5 boys and 3 girls be arranged so that the no 2 girls may sit together. कोई भी 2 लड़कियां इकट्ठी नहीं बैठनी चाहिए. So this is the way. Firstly, I am just going to arrange these boys. Okay, they are the 5 boys. They will take the 5 position. First boy, second boy, third boy, fourth boy, and fifth boy. They are the 5 boys. They will take the 5 places. So 5 is the number of ways to set 5 boys on 5 places. And there are this cross. How many crosses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 6 crosses where I have to set the 3 girls, I have to arrange the 3 girls sitting arrangement there. In the 6 cross places, there will be arrangement of 3 girls. So their number of arrangement of 3 girls on 6 cross places will be 6p3. Okay, so total number of arrangement boys का भी और girls का दोनों को कलेक्टिव करोगे तो total arrangement will be 5p5 into 6p3. क्रॉस किस लिए लगाए? ताकि बॉयज कहीं भी शफल करके बैठ जाए. अगर गर्ल्स में से यहाँ बिठा दिया, यहाँ बिठा दिया, यहाँ बिठा दिया तो गर्ल्स इकट्ठी नहीं बैठ पाएगी. इसीलिए क्रॉस मेथड अप्लाई किया है. Whenever you have to, the question will come in the form of that the no 2 girls, no 2 boys sit together. तो आपके पास जो भी एक्स्ट्रा है, बॉयज का आया तो पहले गर्ल्स की अरेंजमेंट करो, फिर बॉयज को सिट करो क्रॉस पोजीशन पे. और अगर बॉयज का आया है तो गर्ल्स की अरेंजमेंट करो. अपोजिट करना है पहले ये काम आपने. ठीक है. कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. 9 एग्जामिनेशन पेपर. 9 examination paper be arranged so that the best and worst never come together. The best और worst paper इकट्ठा नहीं आना चाहिए. There are 9 exams. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and 9. Without any condition, there are the number of ways of arrangement. ठीक है. बट वो कह रहा है बेस्ट एंड मोस्ट नेवर कम टुगेदर. व्हेन द क्वेश्चन विल कम द नेवर ना, सो यू हैव टू टेक फर्स्टली फाइंड आउट योर टोटल नंबर ऑफ अरेंजमेंट विदाउट एनी कंडीशन. And now when the best and worst comes together, when they both comes together, it means your 2 papers are tied together. Okay, as a bundle. So now this will be considered as your first paper, one paper. Okay, how many papers you have? Having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 paper. So the 8 paper will take the 8 position, 8 days. So their number of arrangement will be 8p8. But it's now as the same in the question number in that question in which we have arranged the economics, English and history books in the same way. you have made the bundle of best and worst paper. Okay, they will be together, remains together, but they will take the one day as a one day. So I will take the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 day. So they will take the 8 days to make a date sheet, just like a to make a date sheet. Okay, they will come, but I don't know best will come firstly or worst will come firstly. They can also mutually exchange. वो बंडल तो बन गए, अब मुझे नहीं पता उस बंडल में पहले बेस्ट आया या वर्स्ट आया, या पहले वर्स्ट आया या बेस्ट आया. They can also mutually interchange. So I having here 2. So what about the best and worst never come together? How you will get the number of ways of best and worst never come together? So total minus number of ways of best worst come together. Total ways से best और worst वाले ये माइनस 8p8 is 8 factorial. Sort out and get your answer. Clear? Come to the next question. Question number 12. In how many ways can a letter Delhi be arranged so that E and I occupy the even places? As you know that in the word Delhi, there are the letter D, E, L, H, I. 5 distinct letters are there. So they have to take the 5 places 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They are saying that the E and I occupy the even places. How many even places I am having? 2 even places, and I have to arrange E and I. So 2 even places and 2 letters here. So their arrangement will be 2p2. E यहाँ आ गया तो I वहाँ आ जाएगा. I यहाँ आया तो यहाँ आ गया. So there will be only 2 ways. 2 factorial, that is the 2 ways. Clear? Come to what about the others? There are now the 3 positions are left. 3 positions are left and 3 letters are also left. So you have to arrange 3 other, or we can say that the odd places, and we have to arrange D, H, L. So 3p3. So their arrangement will be 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2, that is 6. So their total number of arrangement will be 2 into 6. Clear? Come to the next question. Yes, your next question is question number 14. In how many ways the letter of the words combine? There is a word COMBINE. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters are there. So first, vowels always remains together. First part, vowels remains together. So collect the vowels. O is there, I is there, E is there. They will make together. So I make a bundle. Okay, but I left here C, M, N. Okay, what is left here? B is there. Okay, so this will be considered first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So their arrangement will be 5 of these 5 arrangements. And their individual arrangement, this is the vowels arrangement, individuals. The other 3, they can be interchanged, so 3p, 3. So their arrangement is 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Clear? Come to the next one. No 2 vowels are together. Again the no 2 vowels. So firstly, scatter the consonants C, M, N, B. So there are 4 consonants arranged in 4 places. So arrangement of consonant will be 4p4. And then there is a close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in 5 close places, arrangement of 3 vowels. So their answer will be 5p3. So their total number of arrangement will be, yes, again there the consonant we have already arranged on the 4 places because we have the 4 consonant. They will take the 4 places, so 4p4 will be there, and now I am just taking there the 5 close places are there, and the 5 close places I have to put the 3. I have to select only 3 places. Okay, so there will be arrangement in the 5 close places of the 3 vowels. So you have to arrange 3 vowels in the 5 close places. So their arrangement of vowels is 5p3. 5 places are close places are there, and the 3 vowels you have to arrange. So their total number of arrangement will be the 4p4 multiply 5p3. Now the last one, the vowel may occupy the odd places. Vowel should occupy the odd place. Yes, in the word combine, there is C, O, M, B, I, N, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how many odd places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 odd places, and you have to arrange 3 vowels. So you have to arrange the 3 vowels in the 4 odd places. So their arrangement will be 4p3. The number of ways of arrangement of 3 vowels in the 4 odd places, that is 4p3. After that, when you just arrange the vowels, now the 4 letters are left, and you have to arrange in the 4 places. The 4 left letters will be arranged in 4 places. Don't say that ma'am the 3 places are left. 3 places नहीं है, vowels में भी तो 3 ही select किए, एक तो रह गया ना वो. That is also included in these places. Okay, that is also available for the rest of the consonants. Clear है? Vowel ने 3 select कर लिए, जो भी रह गया उसमें से चाहे ये रह गया, चलिए रह गया, ये रह गया, that is also included for the consonant. So the 4 letters, left letter is arranged for the in a 4 places. So their arrangement will be 4p4. So total number of arrangement will be 4p3 into 4p4. So this is the total number of arrangement. Come to the question number 17. Okay, in the question number 17, pencil word is there. So how you will arrange that? N will be always next to E. N हमेशा E के बाद आना चाहिए. So it will be bounded as it is, and it will not change their position. So N, E, here is a P, C, I, and L. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So the arrangement of 5 part is 5p5. In the second part, N is next to E. Sorry, N is next to E. So E and is their fixed position. They can't interchange. So हम इनका mutual interchange यहाँ नहीं लेंगे. Now in the second part you have to the N and E remains together. Now it's together, but their position is not settled here. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Firstly they will arrange 5p5 in a 5 places. Now their mutual interchange is also there. So 2p2. Here the mutual interchange is not possible because E के बाद N ही आना चाहिए. आप N को आगे और E को पीछे नहीं रख सकते. They are the fixed, but these are not fixed. They are together. It's not their condition is not there. The who will come on the first position and who will come on the second position. So 5 factorial into 2 factorial is there. So you have to try up to the question number 14 or 15 by yourself. Thank you.